Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting piece of hardware to dive into, the GIGABYTE Z790 UDAC motherboard. This motherboard is designed to elevate your gaming and computing experience to new heights, and we're here to tell you all about it. Before we delve into the details, let's take a look at some of the standout features of the GIGABYTE Z790 UDAC motherboard. The Z790 UDAC is all set for the future with support for 13th and 12th Gen Intel Core series processors. It's ready to power the latest and greatest CPUs from Intel. DDR5 is the name of the game when it comes to memory technology. This motherboard supports dual-channel DDR5 with 4 DIMM slots, ensuring you get the most out of your RAM. To keep things running smoothly, the motherboard boasts a 16+1+1 twin hybrid phases digital power design with 60 ADR MOS. It's all about stability and performance. The motherboard takes thermal management seriously with fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, M2 thermal guard, ultra-durable armor, and a 6-layer PCB. Your system will stay cool under pressure. Get ready for the future with support for PCIe 5.0 and triple NVMe PCIe 4.0 x 4M.2 slots. Lightning-fast data transfer speeds await you. When it comes to networking, the Z790 UDAC doesn't disappoint. It features 2.5 GBE LAN, Intel Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. Customize your build with RGB Fusion 2.0, support for addressable LED and RGB LED strips, Smart Fan 6, and Q-Flash Plus for BIOS updates without the hassle. Now that we've highlighted the key features, let's take a deeper dive into what makes the GIGABYTE Z790 UDAC motherboard a game-changer. The motherboard's Intel LGA 1700 socket not only supports 12th Gen Intel Core processors but is also future-ready for the upcoming 13th Gen CPUs. This means you'll have access to unparalleled CPU performance. DDR5 memory is the latest standard in RAM technology, and this motherboard takes full advantage of it with support for dual-channel DDR5. With 4 DIMM slots, you can max out your memory capacity for improved multitasking and gaming performance. The 16+1+1 twin hybrid phases digital power design ensures a steady and efficient power supply to your components, enhancing system stability and overall performance. The comprehensive thermal design keeps your components cool, even during intense gaming sessions. Fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, M2 thermal guard, ultra-durable armor, and a 6-layer PCB all contribute to excellent heat dissipation. With support for PCIe 5.0 and triple NVMe PCIe 4.0 x 4M.2 slots, you'll experience blazing fast data transfer speeds. Say goodbye to loading screens and lag. Fast networking is a priority with 2.5 GBE LAN, Intel Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth capabilities. Stay connected, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. Make your build truly your own with RGB Fusion 2.0 and support for addressable LED and RGB LED strips. Smart Fan 6 ensures efficient cooling, and Q-Flash Plus simplifies BIOS updates. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE Z790 UDAC motherboard is a powerhouse that's ready to meet the demands of both gamers and content creators. With its forward-looking features, robust power delivery, and extensive connectivity options, it's a solid foundation for your next PC build. If you found this review helpful and you're considering the GIGABYTE Z790 UDAC for your next build, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. If you have any questions or experiences with this motherboard, share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Product Critique. Until then, happy building and gaming.